Meet the REsi power drill. Not just a drill, but a sophisticated wood inspection tool. This isn't your average power tool. It's a high-tech device designed to revolutionize how we assess the health of our trees and wooden structures. Imagine being able to instantly determine if a tree is healthy or on the brink of collapse, or if that old wooden playground equipment is safe for children. That's where the REsi power drill shines. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, this tool measures the wood's resistance as it drills, providing real-time data on the wood's condition. The drill's electronic unit captures this data, displaying it clearly on its screen, allowing you to see the wood's health profile at a glance. No more guesswork. Plus, the ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use, even for extended periods. With the REsi power drill, you're not just inspecting wood, you're safeguarding lives. By identifying potential hazards early on, you can prevent accidents and ensure public safety. Introducing the KMX Power DRTR 20P Pro, a beast of a machine designed to conquer the toughest terrain. Equipped with a robust 20 HP engine, this trencher effortlessly cuts through even the most challenging soil conditions. Versatility is key. That's why the DRTR 20PRO offers adjustable cutting depths from 600mm to 1000mm, ensuring you can tackle any project with precision. Its heavy-duty chain and tooth system guarantee durability and efficiency, while the self-propelled function reduces operator fatigue and increases productivity. Operating this powerful machine is surprisingly easy. The user-friendly control panel and adjustable speed settings allow you to match the trencher's performance to your specific needs. Plus, its compact design makes it maneuverable in tight spaces. With the DRTR 20PRO, you're not just digging a trench, you're investing in efficiency and productivity. This machine is built to last, designed to perform, and engineered to simplify your work. Unleash your inner craftsman with the top Juke 9-in-1 welder and cutter. This isn't just a tool, it's a creative powerhouse designed to bring your metalworking visions to life. Whether you're a seasoned welder or a DIY enthusiast just starting out, the top Juke makes welding and cutting accessible to everyone. Its intuitive 4.3-inch LCD screen and user-friendly controls ensure a seamless experience. Experience the ultimate versatility with the top Juke's 9-in-1 capabilities. From MIG welding for precise joins to plasma cutting for clean cuts, this machine handles it all. Create intricate metal art, repair household items, or build custom furniture. The possibilities are endless. Weighing in at just 35 pounds, the Top Juke is incredibly portable, allowing you to take your workshop anywhere. Its compact design makes it easy to store and transport, perfect for both home and on-site projects. The Top Juke is equipped with advanced safety features, including gas advance and delay, pilot arc, and APA function, ensuring a secure and controlled welding environment. With the Top Juke 9-in-1, you're not just buying a tool, you're investing in endless possibilities. Unlock your creativity and bring your metalworking dreams to reality. Tired of the roar and fumes of a gas generator? Meet the Nexus power station, the quiet revolution in portable power. This isn't just a battery, it's your ticket to freedom from power outages and the limitations of traditional generators. With a peak power of 3,000 watts and a continuous power of 2,000 watts, the Nexus can handle your essential appliances with ease. Imagine powering your refrigerator, TV, microwave, or even a small air conditioner during a blackout. It's like having a backup power plant right in your home. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or simply enjoying the outdoors, this portable powerhouse keeps your devices charged and your spirits high. From powering lights and fans to charging phones and cameras, the Nexus is your ultimate outdoor companion. It's the perfect solution for camping, RVing, or any situation where quiet power is essential. Built to withstand the elements, the Nexus is engineered for durability. Its weather-resistant construction ensures reliable performance in any conditions. Flat tires can be a real hassle, but not anymore. Introducing the CC Electric Car Jack, your new best friend on the road. This isn't just a jack, it's a complete tire change solution packed into one powerful device. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need. The electric car jack, a powerful electric wrench, a 12-foot power line, gloves, a set of sockets, and battery clips. It's like having a portable garage in your trunk. With a robust 180-watt motor, the CC can lift vehicles weighing up to 5 tons with ease. Whether you're driving a car, SUV, or truck, this jack can handle it. Watch as it effortlessly raises your vehicle to the desired height in just 2 minutes. It also includes a built-in electric wrench to quickly remove and tighten lug nuts, saving you time and effort. And when you're done, use the integrated tire inflator to quickly get your tire back to the correct pressure. The advanced LCD screen provides clear information about the jack's status, making it easy to monitor the lifting process. Safety is a top priority, so the CC is equipped with warning lights and a main LED light to illuminate your workspace. Tired of harmful chemicals and backbreaking manual labor to keep your paths and driveways weed-free? Meet the Hilltip Weed Striker, the eco-friendly solution that revolutionizes weed control. Designed to be mounted on pickups, trailers, or tractors, the Weed Striker is a powerful tool that tackles weeds efficiently. Its hot water system, reaching temperatures of up to 98 degrees Celsius, effectively kills weeds without harming the environment. The best part? Treated areas are safe to use immediately. With a generous 350 or 500-liter water tank, you can cover large areas without refilling frequently. The 20-meter hose and automatic reel make operation effortless. But that's not all. The Weed Striker comes equipped with a 12-volt pump controlled by the innovative StrikeSmart smartphone app. This app also connects to the cloud-based H-Track system, allowing you to track your work, analyze data, and optimize your weed control efforts. Imagine controlling your weed control unit from the palm of your hand, monitoring water temperature, flow rate, and even tracking your progress. The Hilltip Weed Striker offers unparalleled convenience and efficiency. Introducing the Ego Power Plus ZT4204L, a zero-turn mower that redefines the way you care for your lawn. This isn't just a mower, it's a statement of power, performance, and sustainability. The ZT4204L delivers the equivalent of a 22-horsepower gas engine without the noise, fumes, or maintenance. With up to 6 Ego 56-volt ARC lithium batteries, you're harnessing the power of a world-leading battery platform. Cut through tough grass with ease. The ZT4204L boasts a 42-inch cutting deck and reaches speeds of up to 8 miles per hour, ensuring efficient mowing even on large lawns. With a single charge, you can conquer up to 2 acres, making it perfect for both residential and commercial use. Take control of your mowing experience with the intuitive LCD interface. Select from 3 driving modes, Standard, Control, and Sport, to match your mowing conditions and preferences. Customize settings, monitor battery levels, and optimize performance with ease. There you have it, 7 ingenious tools that are truly on another level. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, these gadgets are designed to make your life easier, more efficient, and fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest innovations.